Hey Jack, what are we gonna draw today?
Rainbow Smash.
You actually have one. Santa brought this for Christmas.
Oh,
Didn't
yes.
he? You just smacked me with it.
I'm sorry.
It's
huge.
so cool, and it's like actual size, right?
Yeah.
And there's one rule:
What?
don't hit anybody with that. It's so funny because in reality, it's like a stick horse. It's got the wheels down at the bottom, and it's a unicorn. Yeah.
Yeah, horsey.
Anyways, we're going to draw this today, so we hope you're going to follow along with us. What do they need for this lesson?
Pickaxe.
No, marker.
Some paper and something to color with.
Something to color with. You don't need an actual pickaxe. Okay, let's start. Let's first draw the outside shape of our pickaxe. We're going to start up here at the top, and we're going to draw a diagonal line. Now, this is the head, his forehead. Yeah, good job. You can make it a little bit longer. There you go. Then we're going to draw his nose, and we're going to draw a line that comes down, and it's a little curved. Then we're going to come back in right here at the bottom, just a short line, and then we're going to draw a circle. And then we're going to draw another line that comes out from the circle, and then we're going to draw a curve for the front of his neck. Yeah. All right, now on the back, we're going to draw an S line. It's going to come down like this, curve like this, and then we're going to come back down. And look how this matches kind of the front of his neck. Yeah, good job. Then right here, we're going to draw a diagonal line that connects these two bottom lines. Now this is the general shape of the head, of the unicorn llama head.
Yes.
Rainbow Smash.
Rainbow Smash.
Okay. Now let's draw the bridle on the head. We're first going to draw the ring, and it's right next to this circle right here. So we're going to draw a circle, another circle about that size. Then we're going to draw another circle inside of that that's smaller. Now we're going to draw the front part. We're going to draw it really close to his nose, the front of his nose. Then we're going to draw another one that comes down. And look at this, it tapers as it gets close to the circle. Now we're going to draw one that comes back behind his head. So we're going to draw another one there. And now we're going to draw another one right next to it. And it's also tapering and flaring as it gets back here behind his head. Then let's draw one that goes right under his neck, or right under his jaw. Cool. All right, now let's draw his eye. We're going to draw another circle up here in this top shape. So we're going to draw it about this size. And then inside of there, let's draw another circle and color it in. If we ever go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need more time to finish the step, remember, you can always pause the video. Now let's draw his ear. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out of the top of his head. Then we'll draw a short line going up even further. Then we're going to draw a long line coming back, and then a diagonal into his head. There's his ear. Now let's draw his horn. We're going to draw an upside down V. We're going to come up like this, and it's about double the size of his ear. So come up, and then we're going to come back down. Then we can draw diagonal lines on this V. Now I'm going to draw them going this direction.
Mine's a skinny unicorn.
That's okay.
Or llama horn.
Yeah, llama horn. It's okay. Now we're going to draw his mouth down here at the bottom. We're going to draw another line that comes out, and it comes past his nose. Then we're going to draw another line right here on the other side of the circle that comes down, and then we're going to connect it to the front. Inside of this circle, let's add another smaller circle. All right, we're missing a lot more details. Let's draw the hair next. So we're going to just draw a diagonal line that comes out of his ear. And we don't want to draw it too long. Yeah, kind of short. Then we're going to draw a big S line that comes down. And watch this. Watch me do it first. We're going to draw a big curve that comes out like this. It's matching the back of his head. And we're going to curve back down like this. And see how I get really close to the front? And then we're going to curve going back the other direction. It looks like a big S. So it matches the back of his head. There you go, you're doing it. And then right at the end, curl out, and then we'll connect with another curve down here at the bottom. Okay, now there's details inside of his hair. Let's draw two lines right next to each other Look at this. Up at the top, they're wider, so they're flared at the top. Then we're going to draw another 2 right here. Then we're going to draw a V shape. Now we're going to draw 3 or 4 lines right here in the middle. And watch this. It's going to look like a fan also. So they're flaring as they come out to the top. They get further away from each other. All right, let's do 2 more right here, right below it. And those are also flaring out. And I'm going to add a couple more right below that one. And then right here at the end, let's add 3 more lines. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he looks so cool. Now, all right, we need to add a few more lines in the hair. So up here on these first 3, we're going to add lines in each one. So if we had drawn this with a pencil, we could erase this top line, but because we're using a marker, we're just going to leave it. Then down here on this one, we're going to draw another line here and also the one below it. Cool, and we can add one more down here at the very bottom if we want. We did it, Jack. There's his hair. Now let's add the details on his body or on his neck. So we're going to draw a zigzag line right here behind the bridle. So on this zigzag line, you can change. It doesn't have to look exactly like mine, but some of the spikes can be big and some can be small. Then he's got this rainbow shape coming down on his neck. So let's draw 4 lines. We're going to draw them curved. See how this line gets closer to the front of his neck?
Yeah.
Then this one's going to start on the back of his neck and curve all the way down. Then we're going to draw 2 more right next to that one. Okay, let's add more zigzags down here on this last corner shape. And we can add 2 more zigzags on the front of his neck. Now we also need to add zigzags up here behind his eyes. So we're going to draw, it almost looks like the letter W. And then we can add another one right above that one. Okay, we've got all of the details on his head. Now we need to draw the stick or the handle for the pickaxe. So let's first draw 2 lines coming out of the bottom of his neck. They're about this length, and then we'll connect them at the bottom. Then let's draw 2 more that are closer together, and then connect those also. Then we're going to draw a big line that comes down, and we want to make sure that we leave room for a circle down here at the bottom. And then let's draw another one right next to that one. Good. All right, now down here, we're going to draw a line that connects those 2, and we're going to go past each side, and then we're going to draw a circle below that one, below those lines. Ah, you're kind of running out of room.
Yeah.
It looks good though. Now we're going to draw another circle inside for the center of the wheel. And then up here, we're going to connect 2 lines into the circle or that wheel. Jack, we did it. We finished our Rainbow Smash pickaxe, and it looks really cool, except we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Color it. It's going to look way better colored in. Now this part we're going to fast forward, but at the end, remember, you can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Jack, we did it. We finished coloring our pickaxe, and yours turned out so cool. One thing we forgot about, though, was
the teeth.
Yeah, the teeth. We forgot that, so we added that while we were fast forwarding. You can just add a little extra line for his bottom teeth. Then we also used a white colored pencil to color over the marker to make it look like it's disappearing on his hair. And I went around the whole thing with a thicker line to make it look like it's popping off the page a little bit better.
Yeah, and also we blended these.
Oh yeah, we blended from blue down to pink. Do you think the real pickaxe is proud?
Yes,
yeah.
It is proud.
It's so big.
It's like the face is bigger than the paper. We hope you guys have fun drawing your Rainbow Smash.
Yeah, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. The thing is so big.
I know. Write this away.
Write it off into the sunset.